guys, Lee from KillAllChrome. So we're going to show you how to swap the aluminium cold gear knob for the nice carbon scorpion. Don't know if you focus on that. So obviously it comes with a load of grub screws and it works. Just undo that. So you can see there's grub screws top and bottom there, and the sleeve, and obviously that screws back on top, so we'll show you that in a minute. So first of all, and I've pre-done this because it was tight, so obviously I didn't want you to see me struggling away. So you can unscrew your gear knob, and then obviously you've got a silver sleeve inside, so we'll just put that to one side. So then obviously you've got a one click that gear surround, so we'll take that off and we'll just put that there nicely. And then this one here, because I didn't realise, that also slides off, and you can see there it's got a little key in it, so it'll only go that way, stop it spinning around. So to do it back the other way is a bit of a tricky one. So you've got your thing, and then you're going to undo this. So obviously that has also got a key on it, you can see there, so it will only slide on that way. So we'll leave that in position. This you've got to get through that hole there, so obviously the carbon, that's going to slide through there, and it is tight, so that just goes on there. So obviously that's prepped for when we get this bit on. So from there, little Allen keys. Now these are fiddly, so be careful, because if you drop one, well, to be fair, there's loads, and obviously with it having that keyway thing, it's, you know, it shouldn't need every one of them. So basically, little Allen key, just pick up your little grub screws with the Allen key, and it's going to go in there, and then obviously you're going to go round each one. So I'll just whiz these in and we'll come back to you. Okay guys, so you didn't need to do the grub screws over there because it still does unlock. So you can see there we've got them all set in. So obviously if you want to do this on a bench, say if you're dropping them down yonder there somewhere. So obviously all them are on now. It does go on that way, and obviously if it's turned it won't come off. So you're basically going to get it where you want it, and then we're just going to do these up one at a time. Don't have to be mad on these. Obviously with such a small Allen key head, it's very easy to strip, so just make sure they're in, and then we've got them three done. Like I say, they only need to be finger tight. That one done. And that one done. So there we go, we're on with that bit. So then obviously it's just make sure this is the right way around. That's going to sleeve onto there, clip back in when he gets it in the correct position, and then it's just a matter of, so I don't know how you set this so that so obviously you can see there we've screwed it on and it's at that position. It's completely wrong. So now what you've got to do is a bit of trial and error on this one. So obviously we're going to take it off. You're going to imagine that has got to go back round to that position, so it's tight at that point. So what you've got to do is take it back off again. Imagine where that is. Turn it back round, undo your grub screws, remove the whole thing round, and then tighten it back on, and that's how you'll get that straight. It is a trial and error thing, like I say, but it's necessary to get it right. Okay guys, so just having a bit of a mess around, you can do this another way, and it is a lot simpler. So obviously put the sleeve on, get it all right how we had it before, but when you take it back off, then do your grub screws with your scorpion straight. So as you can see, that one is, get all these back in, and then I'm hoping when we take it back off and put the sleeve on, it's still in the same position. This is why we do these videos for you guys, so you don't have to figure all this lot out. So I'm hoping now, there's fingers crossed for this, if this is quite a bit longer. So you can see there, once it's all fitted, you're in exactly the right place and you don't have to mess about then trying to guess. So you can line it up first, take it all off again, do your grub screws up, back on. So there you can see what a transformation that looks. I've just got to straighten all this up, which we'll do in a minute. But you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome. They come in a variation basically, so you can get it without the scorpion. You can get a silver shaft on it as well. They'll probably do more variations as time goes on as well. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing, etc. Thanks again.